reception. I've got a story today for us, which is called We Are Roaming in the Rainforest. And if you can see behind me, there's a little bit of a rainforest, isn't there? Let's have a look at our story for today. So it's got lots and lots of animals that we would find in the rainforest. So it says, Rainforest sunrise, the dark fades away, and everyone eagerly greets the new day. Fly, squawk the parrots from branches and twigs. We'll swoop down to breakfast on ripe, juicy figs. Jump, chattered monkeys, or swing if you dare. We'll hang by our tails, then leap through the air. Snooze, yawned the sloths, all ready to doze. We'll nap in the trees as we cling by our toes. Swim, gurgle pink river dolphins with pride. We'll nuzzle our calves while we swim side by side. Sip, murmured butterflies high in the sky. We'll lunch upon nectar as we flutter by. Watch, snapped the caimans with wide awake eyes. We'll offer our prey an unwelcome surprise. Hide, croaked the bright little poison dart frogs. We'll burrow down under the moss-covered logs. March, ordered the leaf-cutter ants on parade. We'll bury our cuttings in the gardens we've made. Spin, hummed the spider, perfecting a snare. We'll capture our supper. Would you like to share? Scoot, hissed the gecko, lizard and snake. We'll skitter and scamper and slither and shake. Crouch, growled the jaguars as dusk closes in. We'll hide until dark when our hunt can begin. They look like they're in the hunt. Remember those tigers that were camouflaging themselves? Yeah, they look like they're doing the same. Hush, whispered otters up to pups in a heap. We'll cuddle together till we fall asleep. You see them down there, all snuggled together. Rainforest sunset, the moon on the rise, and everyone listens to night's lullabies. They're all off to sleep. And there you are, we've got a picture there of where the Amazon rainforest is, where our story is from. And you can see our continent down there, South America. Hope you enjoyed that story reception. We'll see you soon. Bye.